Hello, boys and girls. Do you know Supertato? Supertato, the supermarket superhero. Can you see? Can you see? Can you say hi to Supertato?
Hi, Super Banana.
Who likes superheroes? Me too. The Supertato is the supermarket superhero with eyes everywhere. He's always watching everyone and everything. Whenever the chips are down in the vegetable section, wow, look at him with his superhero cape. Can you see? Doesn't he look amazing? Yeah? There's a pea on the loose. A very, very naughty pea. Has Supertato finally met his match? We'll find out when we read the super amazing story on Supertato, our favorite supermarket superhero.